students, my name is Nishtha Gupta. I am from IISc, Bangalore. I am a biology faculty at askIITians since past 4 years. Today we are going to take the topic, the immune system. This topic will be divided into two parts. In first part, we will see what is immunity, the immune response and the lines of defense. Also, we will learn what are antigens and antibodies. In our second part, we will see the types of immunity, the types of acquired immunity, and we will see a video based on how pathogens are killed by antigens and antibodies. So, let's begin with the first part. The immune system. What is immunity? Before starting with the immune system, we should know what is immunity. It's a self-defense system of the body. The ability of the body to protect against what? Foreign bodies. So there are many foreign bodies like bacteria are there, virus are there, and some toxic substances are here. So when they enter into the body, they cause harm to the body, and thus the ability of the body to protect against these harms, this is known as immunity. What is immunology? The science that deals with the various phenomena of immunity, like induced sensitivity and allergy. This is known as immunology. And immune response is the response of the body against all such type of foreign bodies. And immune response is the third line of defense. There are three lines of defense we will discuss in our next slide. So immune response is the third line of defense. It involves production of antibodies. So antibodies are here which are produced, and generation of specialized lymphocytes. So specialized lymphocytes are produced, antibodies are produced against some specific antigens. These antigens are the substances that cause harm to the body. Lines of defense. We can see here three lines of defense are available, that is first line of defense, second line of defense and third line of defense. The first line of defense and the second line of defense are the non-specific defense mechanisms in the body. First line of defense contains skin, mucous membranes and secretions of skin and mucous membranes. So all these come under first line of defense. Under second line of defense, what we have? Phagocytic WBCs. We all know that WBCs are the immune cells. They protect body against various infections or whatever it is. Antimicrobial proteins, these also come under second line of defense. And the inflammatory response. Sometimes we have seen when we get hurt or we have got some scar or cut, we get inflammations over there. So this is also a line of defense. Specific defense mechanism. This comes under immune system. This is the third line of defense. We are going to discuss this third line of defense today. It contains lymphocytes and antibodies. Let's have a look at few terminologies like antigens and antibodies. Both are interrelated. How? Antigens are the substances which stimulate, which enhance, which increase or which causes the production of antibodies when they are introduced into the body. So let's take an example. An antigen B is introduced into the body. It has entered into the body, and to counter that, to protect the body against that antigen, body starts producing antibodies. What are antibodies? Antibodies are the immunoglobulins. In short, we can call Igs. So these are produced. When these are produced? When an antigen or a foreign particle or a foreign body is entered into the body. So both the terms are interrelated. Thus from this line, from the line of immunoglobulin which are produced in the body in response to the antigen or foreign bodies. From this line we can conclude that all antibodies are immunoglobulins. You can see antibodies are the immunoglobulins. So all antibodies are immunoglobulins, but all immunoglobulins are not antibodies. Well students, we have learnt what is immunity, what are immune responses, what are the lines of defense, and what are antigens and antibodies. Hope you have understood this. In our next part, we will take the types of immunity and the complete process of immunity.